Assemble. To bring people or things together in one place, or to fit parts together to make a whole. The manager assembled the team to discuss the new project. All employees were asked to assemble in the conference room at 10 a.m. It took me 3 hours to assemble the new bookshelf. They assembled in front of the station before going hiking. Gather. The students gathered in the hall for the ceremony. Construct. The workers constructed a new bridge over the river. The company assembles its products in a factory overseas.